In this video, you will learn how to reset the Instagram algorithm. The Instagram algorithm decides what content you see in your feed, and sometimes it shows posts that don't interest you. First things first, open up the Instagram app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile picture icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. In this menu, scroll down until you find an option labeled Content Preferences. Tap on Content Preferences, and here's where you'll find an important option, Reset Suggested Content. Tap on it. A message will appear explaining how Instagram suggests posts, reels, and other types of content based on factors like who you follow and what activities you've engaged in. Tap Next. Also worth mentioning is that this reset doesn't delete any of your data. Now comes an essential part. Tap Reset Suggested Content one more time for confirmation. This double check ensures that users are fully aware they are making a significant change. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, users can effectively reset their Instagram algorithm and start seeing fresh, new recommendations.